It is not just, it is anybody associated with giving Black men, women, children, community a leg up. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, doesn't matter what you do. If you say, I want to help this group of people, we are coming for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That being said, one of the ways that folks are trying to get around it is using language instead of Black, Black owned, Black men, they're using underserved, underrepresented, economically disadvantaged, founders lacking access to capital. This is like the new language to not say Black.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In your final thought, tell me your thoughts about that. Do you think that that will work? Do you think that that makes sense? But then also, your final thought and how people can find you. I'll start with you, Aisha.
Yes, using any kind of way to describe a group of people, no matter how you dress it up, historically, we know exactly what you're talking about. It doesn't matter who it is you're talking to. As long as you live in America for a short time, you know exactly who you're talking about when you do anything in this country historically. So that to me, it's going to be easy for people to figure out like right away. For me though, after hearing about this lawsuit and just what's been happening with DEI and discrimination, which we know that when you don't repair something, when the reparation is not done, it will continue no matter what. That's just the way life works. Until you pay up what you owe someone, it will always come up. So to me, now what do we do as a community? How can we start repairing? Because we know that if we integrate, it didn't help us. If we separate, that won't really help us either if we don't have the tools and the systems in place to help us. But we can start by reading the right things, like start feeding our minds and our space and the people we hang around with that are our group with the right mindset, because we have to shift our mindset as well to get the result that we want so that we don't have to keep being the victims or the ones suffering every time when this comes up, right? So one thing I thought about is reading Dr. Boyd's book, The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power. Those things help us. They will help us if we begin those little baby steps so that when something like this happens, instead of everyone just thinking about us to be the ones that are only disenfranchised people, others to also come to mind. Because if that is the case all the time, we will keep going backwards because others that are also minorities will come to also, what I say, they'll also come to challenge that well, we too are also discriminated against. So we have to find a way to fix that by coming together, right? To unite as a community for sure. With that being said, where can you find me in the Black Business School? And also AishaVerzi.com if you need help with your insurance, understanding how you need to better strategize your finances. I can help with that.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Thank
Renee,
you.
your final thoughts?
Sorry, final thoughts are my final thoughts is just to be aware, understand that we are under attack, and which we all, understand that, but also what we can do as a community. And you're right, we have to start as a community and just coming in and just being in succinct with each other, right? Start there, and with kindness and grace for all of us, knowing that we're dealing with the situation. And if there's anything that I can help, please, contact me. I'm at tricyclesync.com.